The holidays are here, and if you're shopping for a digital artist or thinking about finally treating yourself to a serious drawing tablet, you've probably felt that familiar overwhelm. Pen displays, pressure levels, screen sizes. The choices seem endless. Welcome to Top Tech Now, where we've researched the latest gear to help you make confident decisions this holiday season. Here's the thing. Whether you're looking to gift someone their creative breakthrough or upgrade your own setup, the right drawing tablet can transform digital art from frustrating to absolutely magical. That's exactly why we're here. We've done the research, tested the features, and narrowed down the top drawing tablets that'll make this holiday season unforgettable. From portable standalone devices to professional-grade displays, these picks cover every budget and creative need. All product links are in the description with the best prices we could find. Perfect for holiday shopping. Let's dive into the drawing tablets that deserve a spot under the tree. First on our holiday list is the XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2, and this one's a game changer for anyone serious about digital art. This display tablet delivers the kind of precision and responsiveness that makes every brush stroke feel effortless. Whether you're unwrapping it Christmas morning or giving it to someone who's ready to take their artwork to the next level. The standout feature here is the X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus with a groundbreaking level of pressure sensitivity. We're talking twice the precision of most competitors, which translates to smoother lines and more nuanced control when you're working on complex shading or fine details. The display itself is sharp and vibrant, featuring crystal clear resolution with full lamination that eliminates that annoying gap between your pen tip and what appears on screen. Colors pop beautifully across the wide gamut, and the anti-glare etched glass means you can work comfortably for hours without eye strain, perfect for those cozy winter creative sessions. Here's what makes this particularly gift-worthy. It includes a wireless shortcut remote with programmable buttons and a dial, so you're not constantly reaching for your keyboard. The metal build feels premium when you're unboxing it, and those built-in foldable legs let you adjust the angle for comfortable drawing right out of the box. Even at the edges of the screen, precision remains consistent, something that's often compromised on budget displays. The only consideration is that there's no touch control, so all interaction happens through the pen and remote. For many artists, that's actually a plus, since it eliminates accidental touches while drawing. This tablet connects via USB-C to your computer, making setup straightforward whether you're using Windows, Mac, or even compatible Android devices. Best for digital artists and illustrators who want professional-level pen technology without the premium price tag. If you're gifting this to someone serious about digital art, or treating yourself to a real upgrade this holiday season, the XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 delivers exceptional precision and features that'll elevate every creative session. Next up, we have the Wacom Intuos Pro Medium. And maybe you're shopping for someone who prefers working with their main monitor, or perhaps you've got a tighter holiday budget but still want premium quality. Screenless pen tablets shine in these situations, and this represents the gold standard in the category. It's the perfect stocking stuffer that doesn't actually fit in a stocking, but will absolutely make a creative's holiday dreams come true. What sets this apart is the legendary Pro Pen 3, which Wacom refined over 4 decades of innovation. The pressure sensitivity feels remarkably natural, responding to the lightest touch with accuracy that makes retouching photos or creating detailed illustrations effortless. The active drawing area is generous enough for comfortable work, but compact enough to toss in a bag for working anywhere, ideal for anyone who travels during the holidays or works from multiple locations. It's only 4 millimeters thin at its slimmest point, and the magnesium construction means it's both lightweight and incredibly durable. The customization here is impressive. You get mechanical dials and programmable buttons positioned at the top of the tablet, designed for easy access whether you're left or right-handed. The dials make adjustments like brush size and canvas rotation intuitive without taking your eyes off your main monitor. The Bluetooth connectivity means you can work wirelessly on multiple computers, switching between them seamlessly, perfect for anyone juggling different workstations. Here's something unique. It works with previous generation Wacom pens and even styluses from Lamy and Staedtler, giving you flexibility to use pens you already own or prefer. The textured surface provides just the right amount of resistance, simulating that satisfying pen-on-paper feel that many artists miss with glossy displays. Drawing on a separate tablet while watching your main monitor does take some adjustment if you've never tried it, but many pros swear by this setup because it keeps their posture healthier during long creative sessions. Best for photographers, photo retouchers, and traditional artists making the digital leap because it offers professional-grade control at a budget-friendly price point. If you're shopping for someone who values portability and precision over an on-screen drawing experience, or you want the most affordable entry into Wacom's legendary pen technology, this is your holiday answer. Moving on to our third pick, when you need serious screen real estate for large-scale illustrations or detailed character designs, the HUION KAMVAS Pro 19 brings professional features typically reserved for much more expensive displays. This is the kind of gift that makes someone gasp when they unwrap it, with stunning clarity and thoughtful touches that make those long creative sessions comfortable and productive. The display is where this really shines, a stunning clarity that makes every pixel visible, perfect for detailed work where precision matters. At over 18 inches, you've got room to spread out your composition while still seeing palettes and tools without feeling cramped. The color accuracy is factory calibrated and comes with a certificate confirming the specific values for your individual unit. The wide color coverage means prints will match what appears on screen, eliminating those frustrating surprises, crucial for anyone doing professional holiday card designs or seasonal commissions. The cutting-edge pen technology captures incredibly light pressure for delicate shading with natural tilt support, and HUION includes both standard and slim grip pens in the box, perfect for artists with different preferences. The anti-glare canvas glass creates a paper-like surface that reduces reflections, and at just over 4 pounds, it's surprisingly portable for an 18-inch display that travels easily between holiday destinations. Dual USB-C ports connect from either direction, the power adapter can charge your laptop while you work on projects, and the included Bluetooth key dial mini keeps shortcuts at your fingertips. Multi-touch support makes zooming and rotating intuitive for everything from winter landscapes to festive character designs, though the built-in 20-degree stand isn't adjustable without adding a separate Visa mount arm. Before we continue with our holiday gift guide, if you're finding this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss our latest reviews. All the product links are down in the description with current pricing. Now, let's look at something completely different. For our fourth pick, we're shifting gears entirely. Sometimes the best gift is complete creative freedom. Imagine giving someone a drawing tablet that doesn't chain them to a desk during the holidays. The XPPen Magic Drawing Pad is the first true standalone drawing tablet designed specifically for artists, running independently without needing a computer. This is creativity that goes wherever inspiration strikes, whether that's sketching by the fireplace, creating holiday cards at the coffee shop, or designing anywhere your holiday travels take you. The brilliance here is complete creative freedom. Running on Android, it gives you access to professional art apps like Clip Studio Paint, Krita, and Medibang Paint directly on the device. The paper-like display features anti-glare technology and impressive color coverage for vibrant, true-to-life artwork, with eye comfort design that handles marathon holiday drawing sessions without strain. The X3 Pro Slim Stylus delivers that industry-leading pressure sensitivity we mentioned earlier. But here's the kicker, the pen itself never needs charging. Just pick it up and start creating. Whether you're on a train heading to family gatherings, at a cafe, or sketching outdoors in the winter air, the tablet's 8-hour battery life lasts through entire flights and full-day creative sessions with time to spare. With storage that's expandable up to a terabyte via micro SD, you won't run out of space for holiday projects and creative experiments. The 3:2 aspect ratio feels natural for both landscape and portrait work, and at just over 21 ounces, it's incredibly light for a 12-inch tablet. Front and back cameras let you photograph reference materials or video call collaborators, and you can even connect it to your laptop as a second screen with full pen functionality when needed. The limitation to note is that the pen doesn't support tilt recognition, which some artists rely on for natural brush angle variation. Also, while Android has come far, some desktop software features aren't available in mobile versions yet, best for digital artists who work on the go, students who need a portable creative solution, or anyone wanting a dedicated drawing device without lugging around a laptop. If mobility and independence matter most, this standalone tablet delivers impressive capability in a truly portable package, wrapped up and ready for holiday gifting. And finally, for our last pick in this holiday lineup, let's talk about the gold standard. The Wacom Cintiq 16 represents what happens when a company with 4 decades of experience creates an accessible entry point to their legendary technology. This is the display tablet that animation studios, design firms, and creative professionals have trusted for generations, now available without the premium price tag that typically comes with the name. The Pro Pen 3 that comes with this is the same pen technology you'll find on displays costing significantly more. The pressure sensitivity is exceptional, tracking everything from the lightest sketch lines to bold, confident strokes with zero lag. The tilt support captures natural brush angles beautifully, and the pen never needs charging. Just pick it up and it works instantly. The pen feels perfectly weighted and balanced, making those hours-long drawing sessions comfortable in a way that cheaper styluses never manage, essential for anyone tackling ambitious holiday projects or building their portfolio over winter break. The display quality is where Wacom's refinement really shows. The newest version features enhanced resolution with impressive clarity, and the color coverage ensures your work looks vibrant and accurate. Full lamination means your pen tip appears exactly where it should on screen, eliminating that frustrating parallax that can throw off your precision. The anti-glare etched glass creates a satisfying drawing surface, while reducing reflections that would distract during focused work. Setup is straightforward, with built-in fold-out legs, providing a comfortable working angle right out of the box. The display works seamlessly with both Mac and Windows, and Wacom's driver software is incredibly robust, letting you customize pressure curves and pen buttons for different applications. Wacom offers an optional wireless remote for additional shortcuts, though many users keep their keyboard nearby. Keep in mind, this is a pen display that needs to connect to a computer to function, and the included stand only offers one angle. You'd need a VESA mount arm for more flexibility. Best for anyone stepping up from a basic tablet, students entering design or animation programs, or hobbyists ready to get serious about digital art because it offers proven, professional-grade reliability with a pen experience that simply feels right. Whether you're gifting this to someone who wants to learn with industry-standard tools or treating yourself to a display tablet that'll last for years, the Wacom Cintiq 16 delivers that perfect blend of quality and accessibility, making it an investment gift that keeps on giving. There you have it. 5 exceptional drawing tablets that'll make this holiday season memorable for any digital artist in your life, or for yourself if you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade. Remember, all the product links are down in the description with current pricing. If this list helped you choose the perfect gift or upgrade, hit that like button and subscribe to Top Tech Now for more in-depth tech reviews. Wishing you a creative and wonderful holiday season filled with inspiration and amazing artwork. Happy drawing and happy holidays!